My warm wishes and a very happy Republic Day to you all. I'm BD Bhatia, STPO Bajnath, and I'm going to share my views on anti ragging. On 7th March 2009, Mr. Aman Kachru, a first year undergraduate student of Dr. Rajendra Prasad Medical College, complained about the brutal ragging on campus by completely drunk third year students. He was beaten so badly that he died of brain hemorrhage. Sadly, this was not the first such episode in an educational centers in India. Ragging is a form of abuse of newcomers to educational institutions. Legally speaking, ragging is an act which causes or is likely to cause physical or physiological harm or apprehension or shame or embarrassment to the student. It includes teasing, abusing, playing practical jokes, causing hurt to any student, or asking them to do any act or perform anything which he would not in the ordinary course be doing. Ragging has reportedly caused at least 30 to 31 deaths in the last few years in India. Freshers under severe stress may leave the system or may suffer from serious trauma or post traumatic stress disorders. Occasionally, there may be physical injury, and some may even commit suicide. The students are expected to cultivate the habits of understanding, sympathy, and tolerance. Seniors are expected to guide the junior students to good campus life and must support them during their initial days. Instead, there is a show of arrogance and supremacy over the juniors. This arrogance, anger is not expected from the students. If such a character is carried over to the professions, the society will suffer in the long run. The educational, the educational institutes must take measures to sensitize students on the hazard of ragging. A policy of zero tolerance is already in place. All students need to have a ragging free record. Parents must also take some responsibility and encourage their children to report such incidents immediately to the management or to the administration so that this incident could be prevented in the campus. Several laws and acts and laws have been made by the legislature to prevent and punish the students for ragging. Some of these sections include abatement to ragging, criminal conspiracy, unlawful assembly, and rioting while ragging, public nuisance, violation of decency and morals, injury to body, causing hurt or grievous hurt, wrongful restraint, wrongful confinement, use of criminal force, assault as well as sexual offences or unnatural offences, extortion, criminal trespass, offences against the property and criminal intimidation. The educational institutions may also take some steps like cancellation of admissions, suspension from attending classes, withholding scholarship and other benefits, debarring from appearing any test or examination, withholding results, debarring from representing the institution in any national or international meet, tournament, youth festival, etc., suspension from the hostel, and so on. Let there be Aman, peace, I mean to say peace. Let there be an awakening, awakening in his same name, bringing peace to those future students who will then fearlessly study in college. Thank you very much. I hope no student will indulge in ragging activities. Thank you very much.